Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Hey guys, please excuse these first few clips because for some reason my camera was on the wrong setting, so the quality looked off. Like, it looks really grainy. Just the first few clips of the eyes. Once it gets to the eyeliner, it should be good. But please excuse me. I'm still getting used to my new camera, so.
If I hate you, then find someone new.
So for this look, I was pretty much aiming to do a brown smoky, and just to add a nice little fun touch to it, I decided to go in later on with some glitter on the inner corners of my eyes, and that really helped the look to stand out. But I'm not going to go in and explain everything I'm doing in this video because it's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let the music play for this one, and this one is just gonna be like a watch me do my makeup video. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys like the look. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and don't forget to like, comment, and let me know what you guys think about this video.
You're like a pill to get my fill. No, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about this hair. This is a wig I have on my Instagram, and I actually have a video on YouTube that I did a review on this hair. If you guys go back and look, it's the one hair that I had in with the blonde bottoms, like the honey blonde bottom tips of the hair. I keep saying bottoms, the tips of the hair. But yeah, this hair, I have not worn this wig since New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. That was when I wore this wig. I had up pictures on Instagram, and I had wand curled them. These are old wand curls. I literally just took this wig out of my stash. I did not curl them over. I had the same wand curls that was in the wig, and I just finger combed them. I did not have to go back in with the wand curl at all, and I just loved the messy curly look that it gave. So that's pretty much what I did. I did not add any more heat to this once I took it out the stash. I just threw the wig on, finger combed it, and I got it to look like this, and I was really liking the vibe of the hair. So yeah, that's about it for the hair, in case anyone wanted to know the info on the hair. But I will try to put the information for the hair company in the description box for this hair. But also, the hair did not come straight or anything like that. I forgot the texture of the hair, but it was like a really jerry curl, like deep wave kind. I think it was like a deep wave. Yeah, I think it was deep wave, yeah. And I pretty much combed that out, and then I wand curled it, and it gave me these curls, and these curls was giving me like SZA vibes, so I fell in love.
No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
I am in love. Oh my gosh. This look is bomb. Like I told you guys, I'm gonna be coming with the looks, but yo, I didn't even believe me until now. Like, this is bomb. Oh my gosh. I legit want to go somewhere, but I can't. They have a freaking storm outside. There's a damn storm outside, so I'm not going anywhere. Oh my goodness, but this look is fire. 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 Alright, but enough talking. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you guys have any idea of looks that you guys would like to see me do, just comment those ideas and I will definitely try to get some of those things done for you guys. But just like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about this look, and I will see you guys next time.
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Never big inside. Look her big as fuck, you should see inside. For a car garage, you can pick a ride.